Good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel, Bangalore Bash. Who doesn't love a good mystery? The planet is actually dotted with places that are surreal and sometimes downright bizarre. And while many of these mysterious going ons have logical explanations, other remains stubbornly unsolved. So today in this video we have 18 such mysterious places around the world for you guys. So let's get on to the video. So the first place we are going to show you in this video is a very popular one, Bermuda Triangle. Bermuda Triangle, covering around 5 lakh square miles between Bermuda, Florida and Puerto Rico, has seen more than 20 planes and 50 ships crash with no obvious explanation, and even some vanish completely. Theories range from suggestions of supernatural activity to the more logical hypothesis that it's down to magnetic compass variation or rogue waves. That's Bermuda Triangle, number one in this list. And guys, if you have not subscribed to this video, please go ahead and subscribe, like, and also comment if you have any, and keep supporting. So second in this list is Richard Structure. Astronauts have been watching the Richard Structure, also known as the Eye of Sahara, in Urain since humans first entered space. Viewed from the International Space Station, the 30-mile wide swirl resembles a bullseye or snail's shell. The geological quirk was believed to be a crater caused by a meteorite, but it's now thought it was once a dome that has eroded over time. That is Richard Structure for you guys. And next in the list we have very popular Stonehenge from England. Stonehenge, England. This circle of rocks have long been one of the UK's most well-known and mysterious sites, with historians and scientists baffled as to how its builders transported the monoliths 5,000 years ago. In 2019, Newcastle University students may have thought that they solved the riddle when they discovered that humans and not aliens, may have dragged the rocks in place using sledges lubricated with pig fat. Stonehenge, that's third in the list, guys. And next in this video we have very popular place from USA, New York, Eternal Flame Falls. It's nothing to do with the Bangles hit song, but this is an almost eternal flame, the bewitching orange-red glow that flickers behind this staggered water flow. In New York's Chestnut Ridge Park is kept aflame by natural methane gas that seeps through cracks in the rock. It's occasionally extinguished by splashes, but visitors can actually bring it back to life with a lighter. So that's Eternal Flame Falls. And next in this video we have Magnetic Hill. It is actually called as a Magnetic Hill in a place New Brunswick, Canada. So here in this place, cars actually roll backward and apparently upward after driving to the bottom of this so-called magnetic hill in Montauk, New Brunswick. But it isn't actually defying the laws of gravity. It's one of several hills around the globe where what looks like an uphill incline is, in fact, part of a larger downhill incline. It's an optical illusion because there is no view of the horizon for perspective. That is Magnetic Hill, Canada. And from Canada, we are moving to Australia, a place called Uluru, which is next in our video. Uluru, Australia. It is also called as Ayers Rock in Uluru Kata Tjuta National Park in Australia's Northern Territory has deagled people for centuries and is a sacred spot for Anagu people, with theories that it was found by ancestral beings who shaped the world. Signs suggest that sandstone monoliths began forming around 550 million years ago, and centuries of erosion and folding crafted its distinguished oval shape. Its red surface is due to oxidation, while fresh rock beneath is grey. And next in the video we have Blood Falls from Antarctica. The world's coldest and perhaps most enigmatic continent is home to a blood red waterfall that seeps into the ice. Geologists originally thought the red color was due to algae, but the truth is actually much more interesting. It started around 2 million years ago when a saltwater pool was trapped inside Taylor Glacier. The sealed, airless lakes, high iron content and salinity caused a rust red color that eventually oozed out of figure in the ice. This is Blood Falls, Antarctica. And next in this video we have Nazca Lines, Peru. So around 300 figures from a spider to a hummingbird are etched into the sand in the northern Peruvian desert, with some lines sketching more than 5 miles. The pre-Columbian geoliths, which cover around 200 miles long, had celestial associations or were seen as giant calendar. Now the most popular theory is that they mark the location of rituals surrounding water and corpse, although the truth remains elusive. This is Nazca Lines, Peru. Next in this video we have the Great Blue Hole, Belize. So divers and underwater explorer, including French writer and explorer Jacques Cousteau, have fallen under the spell of the world's biggest sinkhole, which measures around 1000 feet across and plunges to 400 feet deep. Its deepest, darkest secret remains a mystery until late 2018, when an expedition team, including Jacques' grandson Fabien Cousteau and Sir Richard Branson, who shot video from a submarine revealing skeletonic and unidentifiable tracks, which is Belize, the Great Blue Hole. And next in this video we have fairy circles from Namibia. Are these actually circular patches dotted over the Namibian desert in their millions, the work of gods, aliens, or termites? Obviously one answer is less romantic than the other, but it also the most logical theory scientists have come up with for so-called fairy circles, which are only found here and in parts of Australia. There is still no official explanation and study actually still continues. Fairy Circles, Namibia. Next in this video we have Racetrack Playa. Racetrack Playa from California, USA. It is some unexplained magnetic force that causes rocks to glide across this cracked, dry lake bed in California's Death Valley, or the unseen hands of some higher power. Neither, it seems, as scientific debunked the mysteries in 2013, discovering the boulders are moved by wind when the ground is icy. It's still a hauntingly beautiful and delightfully odd place. Racetrack Playa. And next we have the Great Pyramid of Giza, Egypt. Great Pyramid of Egypt. So Giza's trio of pyramid tombs make up one of the globe's most recognizable sites. The biggest of the three, the Great Pyramid of Giza, or Khufu, it's also known as, is both the oldest of the 7 wonders of the ancient world and the only one still standing. Yet it's still shrouded in mystery, with scholars continuously theorizing as to how such a huge, intricate structure could be created without modern tools. The Great Pyramid of Egypt. And next in this video we have Lake Hillier from Australia. So this pink sand we can just about handle, but a bubblegum colored lake. From above, contrasting with the nearby blue of the Pacific, Lake Hillier is utterly surreal. Its color is still something of a mystery, but the most commonly accepted theories relate to the lake's high salinity. So this is from Australia, Lake Hillier. And moving on to the next place, we have Krupp Forest from Poland. So this forest, Krupp Forest, Poland, is actually known as Gryffindor's brilliantly bonkers Krupp Forest, is filled with around 400 pine trees, each with a near identical bend in the base of its trunk. Their wonky appearance has sparked many theories, including that a snowstorm or gravitational pull morphed their shape. Others suggest they were deliberately shaped with tools. None have been proven, which makes these strangely uniform canopies all the more intriguing. So this is Krupp Forest, Poland. And next in this video we have Teotihuacan, Mexico. So no one actually knows who built or originally lived in this vast and complex pyramid city. believed to have left around 1400 years ago. The site, covering around 8 square miles, was later a pilgrimage site for the Aztecs, who gave it the name Teotihuacan. Remnants of apartment-like buildings suggest around 1 lakh people lived here and worshipped at temples linked by the broad Avenue of the Dead. So this is a place from Mexico. And next in our video we have Maoraki boulders. Maoraki boulders from New Zealand. Maoraki boulders, New Zealand. So ancient Maori legend says these boulders are gourds or food containers washed ashore from the wreckage of a canoe that brought their ancestors to New Zealand's South Island. Another theory suggests they are alien eggs. Geology says they formed in sediment on the sea floor around 65 million years ago, eventually choosing Kaku Beach as their home. So that is the theory around Maoraki boulders from New Zealand. And last in our video we have Easter Island Heads, Chile. Easter Island Heads, Chile. It was the Rapa Nui people who crafted and erected the 1,000-odd stone giants known as Mau around 900 years ago, but no one really knows how they managed to move the 40 feet tall statue with weight around 14 tons each into the place, or why they exist at all. A prevalent theory is that the ancient Polynesians walked them from quarries using stone platforms and placed them to mark freshwater sources. The statue bodies are buried to leave only the curious heads exposed. So with this we have come to end of our video, friends. If you have liked this video, please click on like and also do not forget to subscribe. Thank you. If you have any questions, please comment. Thank you for supporting, guys. Thank you.